Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that we crave sometimes, and because our family loves soup, and this one is a recipe that's called Tahong soup. As what I always say, please watch the video until the end to reveal the secret ingredient of this recipe. Thank you. So let's get started. For our ingredients, we'll be needing oil, garlic and ginger, sayote, dahon ng sili, and our mussels or tahong. Now that all our ingredients are ready and prepared, let's start cooking. First, let's add the oil. Let's make sure that our pot is hot before we add the oil. Then now let's add the garlic and the ginger and saute it for about a minute. And then let's put in the mussels or the tahong and saute it for another minute. And let's wait for the juice of the tahong to come out. After a minute, let's add the sayote. After a little turn, we can now add 2 cups of water, or as you prefer, and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Tada! And now that our soup is not just simmering but boiling, I guess this is ready, and let's remove it from the fire. I added the dahon ng sili right after I remove it from the fire. And I know everyone's waiting for the secret ingredient of this recipe. Without further ado, the secret ingredient of this recipe is the Sprite. Yes, that's correct. The Sprite. Before I added water to our recipe, I first added Sprite. About half cup of Sprite. This is also the reason why I did not add any seasoning or salt and pepper to our recipe, because the Sprite is enough for the recipe to be tasteful. There you have it guys. If you're looking for a simple soup recipe, this is the perfect recipe for your family. So again guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more good food. Thank you. Good day.